In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule calendar automations in Trello. Whether you're managing tasks for a large team or keeping track of personal projects, having automations in place can save you a significant amount of time and effort by streamlining your workflow. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the calendar view. To do this, click on the small caret icon located next to the title of your Trello board. This simple action will open a drop-down menu, allowing you to select the calendar view. The calendar view in Trello is an incredibly useful tool, giving you a visual layout of all your tasks organized by date. It's especially helpful when you're trying to get a clear overview of your deadlines and upcoming events. Once you're in the calendar view, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a lightning icon. Clicking on this icon will open the Automations drop-down. Automations in Trello are powerful features that allow you to set up rules and actions that perform tasks for you, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. With the Automations menu open, select the option for a rule automation. Rule automations are essentially instructions that you create to tell Trello what actions to perform when certain conditions are met. After selecting Rule Automation, you will need to click on Create Automation. This will open a new window where you can start defining what you want your automation to achieve. Next, it's time to set your trigger. The trigger is the starting point of your automation, and for calendar automations, this will be related to dates. When you set a date-based trigger, you're telling Trello to perform an action whenever that specific date condition is met. You'll find a variety of templates to choose from, which provide a starting point for the types of automations you can create. These templates are incredibly helpful if you're new to setting up automations or if you're looking for inspiration on how to enhance your workflow. After selecting a template, it's time to add your trigger. This part involves specifying the exact conditions under which your automation should be activated. Once you have everything set up to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your automation. Saving your automation ensures that Trello will remember your rules and execute them whenever the specified trigger occurs. And there you have it. By following these streamlined steps, you've successfully set up calendar automations in Trello. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to manage your tasks more efficiently. Keep experimenting with different automations to find what works best for you and your team.